crystal. And this one. If you put it in water.
Uh-huh. Oh, what did you...
I put it in water.
Okay, hope we don't get sick.
So
Really?
we can run.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Just like the same. And 1 Tesla.
Oh, yeah.
Tesla.
Okay.
Tesla.
We are almost there.
Because I don't
My
want to
glasses?
get lost.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Let's go now.
The other way around. Do. Oh, yeah.
Do you think he can crack it?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, you did it!
Did you find crystal?
Oh, man.
I got it.
No, not throwing like this, baby. Just put it there somewhere. Isn't it too little for you guys? No?
I can ride it.
What about you, Neo?
Okay, I'm winning. 3, 2, 1, go! Cassie, her name's not Candy. His name's Candy. No, Candy.
I don't know.
Candy! Candy? Her name's Candy. Oh my god! Yes, Please. I'm winning. Go happy! That's not funny, Mom. Hey! Okay, now go!
Niyosha gonna drink.
There's fly on it!
Are you yummy?
It's not it!
You
Fly on it!
You forgot to put banana. Without banana, smoothie will not be yummy.
You want to be I don't want to be apple. I want to be, I know we can make strawberry muffins. Let's play tag. Okay, I'm tagging you. Yay! Tag! I'm tagging you. That's me. Tag.
You gonna be?
Chocolate. Chocolate cookie. Okay,
Okay,
make us.
you make us.
Stop.
What are you going to do now?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
drink it.
You need a straw.
I know. Okay, I'll put the straw. Now. So yummy. We have to do the activity. Now, where are you?
He went to that room.
Where? And you need to say the cookie, okay? You need to say that.
Okay.
Did you really go to that room?
She knows it. She's hiding there.
Where are you?
I don't know.
The dog, what happened to the dog? Is it
Bring her back. Back here.
Yeah, I think that's why she's helping the dog to...
It's been a long time.
Hi,
Baby?
Baby?
baby. I'm Christy.
Oh, did you hear that?
Is she dead?
Yeah.
Dad, that's a bad sound. Hey, you need to find me now.
Neo.
Yeah, hide somewhere else.
Hide.
10, 11, 12.
Neo, Martina, she's not ready yet. Neo, come here. Amay, she went to room.
Don't you get the
Oh man. What?
Oh, where's my socks?
Now we have Niyosha Pradat singing the song Let It Go.
No. Then it was. How did they show me? Now, then.
Do you know the song?
Heaven knows that
Thank you so much.
my choice. It's my choice.
Do you want to? Maybe a little bit? Half okay?
He cut this and I can peel. No, I can peel it.
We can help you peel it.
No, I'm gonna peel it.
Same thing.
Papa, I want that one. I want this. Oh,
Wanna change it?
Okay, same thing.
I want the other one. A banana phone. Hello?
So who's this?
It's Amay, Neo's friend.
How can I help you? Why are you calling me?
Because
Huh?
what's happened to Neo?
Huh?
What's Neo doing?
Neo is busy right now. She's finding her banana.
Sleep in your room, Neo?
No, you can sleep over there.
Where?
Behind that door.
Oh, can I not sleep with you in your room? Please?
Because it has toys.
Yeah.
I don't want to. It's gonna make a mess.
Yeah, that's true.
And I don't want to put my dog grip. And if you can push and if you do the squish my toy. You didn't squish my toy.
Oh, exactly. Okay.
We can remove all your toys, put it in the storage, and then she can use your bed.
No. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20. Why is not beautiful?
Which one?
It's not beautiful. I got you
What? What did you say?
I'm he's a vampire, and I'm gonna be a witch.
What fire?
He's gonna be a what flower? Hey, give me that.
What was that?
वो क्या fire something दूसरा होता है क्या?
Show me how to fix it.
I don't want it. I want it. Two But why did you make a squeaky noise? What? She did like that.
सिली भी हो गई है क्या?
Yeah.